Okay, hello, it's me, Rustic Chick 1003, and today we're going to try making meowscles on Gacha Life.
Yeah, Fortnite.
Meowscles.
But your pet is even dead. Oh no.
So
The bots.
yeah.
Whoa! No way.
Oh, and here's my character.
Babe, look at this rainbow.
I know. Okay, so
Sick.
well, she's cranky today, so let's just put her back into sloth. Okay, now we're going to be making meowscles. So first, he's a gender boy. His skin is white, of course. And watch this.
You were actually got a good idea. But I think your red idea is not going to work.
It might work.
No, it won't.
Now we have to find the little strap things where we can do it. I found it. I just went past it. Okay, now, Meowscles has overalls, right?
What overalls?
They go like this.
I don't know yet. He has a belt on.
Okay, belt. What else?
He got pants on. Well, I think they're jeans, but you can do jeans if you want to.
Yeah, I think you're right.
I ain't like. I think somebody's trying to shoot me. No way! The crossbow's back.
The crossbow's back? I thought it was already on. Yep, someone's trying to shoot you.
Oh, good, same one.
Is that they're dark blue? Then these are dark blue, I think. I think that's yellow. I don't know. Now, what color are his jeans? Blue?
Yeah.
Okay. Just need to make sure, right, guys?
You're dumb.
Now, let's do the ears.
What the? This kid just got bought.
There.
Man, this kid just got bought in the face.
I'm gonna make him have long hair because people with long hair look sick on Gacha Life. So let me just do this. No. I'm gonna make his bangs pulled up.
Let's go.
Stop! Stop!
I said the F word. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, YouTube. YouTube people. You guys are lit, actually.
So yeah, let's go like that and then.
Fuck you.
Stop saying it!
Okay.
Oh gosh, I forgot what meowscles look like. Okay guys, I had to look at meowscles because I really forgot.
I can do it.
Show me a picture of meowscles. Show me.
I can do it.
What?
I can do it. Alright.
Something went wrong, it says.
Babe, I can show you it.
Yep, something went wrong.
Yeah.
Let's see what happened.
Babe.
Hold on, I'm playing the game. Oofy.
Here's meowscles.
Sorry.
Look, Bear. Here's meowscles. Look, Bear. Look. There's meowscles. Meowscles.
Okay, so one ear is
Black.
No. Okay, that looks like kind of gray, like this, right?
Kind of.
Is this like that?
Yeah.
Dang it, I can't put the little nose. I can't put the nose on. I'm gonna make him go like this.
He don't need hair. I don't want him to have hair. He's a little cat.
No, Kit is the little cat.
Kit is a little cat. put the pistol in it. I'm cop. Yeah. Real nigga rock star. Someone say push a block.
What color is his tail? Not Jules.
I know.
I found meowscles.
Meowscles?
Meowscles.
Meowscles.
Okay, his tail's like a tannish, right? Like his other part of his head. Now for...
Do you think meowscles are hot?
I don't know.
I'm gonna play a game real quick.
Gabe, does he look okay? Gabe, does he look okay?
He don't need hair.
Yes, he does. He looks cute.
But yeah, I dare you to do this. Look, you ready?
Oh, no, I can't.
Les he dicho que no me estén jalando mucho para acá, que se va a despegar de la pared y le hagan un hoyo a la pared.
I need to see.
Ok. Ya te he dicho que te pongas aquí.
Okay, now let's just change up the belt. We have to change up
Este
the
es
belt.
peligroso para mí, que no lo miro su negro.
There.
Yes, you can.
Oye, ¿me te llevas a comer de esto?
Sí, por favor.
No, thank you. I need it. I need you right now.
Pero por lo menos volverme a ver cuando te pregunte algo. Qué barbaridad.
I haven't gone upstairs yet.
¿Tú vas a comer de esto, muchacho?
Yes.
Qué barbaridad.
Don't let me down. You like this one? So don't let me
Okay, guys, now we're gonna go on here to do some touch-ups. Please don't see these. Cut. Yeah. I'm sorry if I'm stuck up. I'm drawing. There we go.
I'm sorry if I suck at drawing.
Now it's
I
just...
suck at drawing too. No, you don't. You're so good. And I'm not. And I just caught. Yay. Hey, can you play for me?
Sorry, Gabe. I'm in the middle of a video right now. He looks cute.
I need a hat to hold it.
Now
Están
shoulders.
todos guardados. ¿Quieren que vaya a sacarle? Están guardados.
Please, Dad.
No respondas así, ¿ok? Séte educado.
I'm sorry.
He looks cute.
I need that hat.
¿Cuál? ¿Qué color?
But white. I like white. White is my favorite.
There you go.
You know, I'm gonna get up the camera. Let's watch some YouTube.
Come on.
Yay!
Yay. All I'll do is... There we go. He looks okay. Oh, you like that song? Like, goes like, bye guys. Hope you liked it.